welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to answer the question, what rights does a father have if he is on the birth certificate in Iowa? We're going to talk mostly about unmarried couples. A married couple, in a scenario where the father signs the birth certificate, the father will have equal custody rights with the mother, and even if they get divorced, he'll be on generally equal footing with the mother. In an unmarried scenario, the father signing the birth certificate does not grant any custody rights. So there's basically two steps to an unmarried father granting custody or receiving custody rights. First, paternity has to be established. There's two ways to do this. If the parties are in agreement, they can both sign an affidavit of paternity at the child's birth or shortly after the child's birth, and then the father will be added to the birth certificate and paternity is established. If the parties are not in agreement, then the father can file a suit to establish paternity, or the mother can. Either party can file a suit to establish paternity, and there will be a hearing at which point each side will try to prove or disprove paternity. Usually this is done through DNA testing. So once paternity is established, either through an affidavit of paternity or a suit to establish paternity, then the father can be added to the birth certificate, but they still don't get any automatic custody rights. Establishing paternity and being added to the birth certificate is basically your payment to enter the arena to determine whether you get any rights to access the child, to contact the child, or to be the child's parent in any way. Either in the paternity suit, if it was a contested paternity suit, or in a separate lawsuit, the parties can go to court to establish parenting rights. But once paternity is established, that gives them their entryway to establish those parenting rights. So we have a lot of articles and videos at learn-about-law.com about how child custody works in Iowa. But the bottom line is that courts will establish child custody and a parenting plan based on whatever is in the child's best interest. And it's presumed that having both parents in the child's life relatively equally will be in the child's best interest. So once paternity is established, then the father has the right to go and try to establish equal parenting time, or at least some sort of parenting time based on the best interest of the child. Now, what signing the birth certificate does do is obligate the father to pay child support regardless of whether he is granted any parenting rights at all. So by establishing paternity, the father is financially responsible for the child regardless of whether it's in the best interest for the father to be in the child's life or not. And that's a separate issue. So establishing paternity, signing the birth certificate makes the father have to pay child support, but it does not give the father any parenting rights. That's established in a separate suit based on the best interest of the child. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.